In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, edit, and manage your customers list in QuickBooks. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to get started by navigating to the left panel of your QuickBooks interface. You'll notice a section labeled Customers and Leads. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you directly to the hub for managing everything related to your customers. Once you're there, switch over to the Customers tab. This tab is your one-stop shop for viewing all the customers whose information you have already saved in QuickBooks. It provides a comprehensive overview, so you can easily access and manage their details. If you need to add a new customer to your list, it's really simple. Just look towards the top right corner of your screen, and you'll find a button labeled New Customer. Clicking on this button will prompt a form where you can enter all the necessary details of your new customer. Take your time here, ensuring that you filled in all fields accurately, including names, addresses, and contact information. Once you are satisfied with the information you've entered, click Save, and just like that, you've successfully added a new customer to your list. Now, let's talk about editing customer details. Suppose you need to update an existing customer's information, whether it's a change in address or a new phone number. This is equally straightforward. Firstly, you'll want to locate the customer from your list. This can be done by scrolling or using the search feature to quickly find their name. Once you've found the customer, click on their name. This action will bring up their detailed profile. At the top right, you'll see the Edit button. Clicking on Edit will allow you to modify any of the customer's information that needs updating. Remember to double-check the information you edit, ensuring everything is correct before finalizing. After making the necessary changes, don't forget to save your updates. And that's it. You've now edited your customer's information efficiently. Managing your customer list in QuickBooks is designed to be effortless, helping you keep up with changes and additions with minimal fuss. By regularly updating and reviewing your list, you ensure your records remain current, leading to better customer relationship management. With this newfound knowledge, you can seamlessly add, edit, and maintain your customer database, keeping your QuickBooks account organized and up to date. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials. See you next time.